अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन अम्मा बअदु फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। पढ़िए अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या रसूलल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या हबीबल्लाह। अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या नबी अल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या नूर अल्लाह। सय्यदुना अबू दरदा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु has narrated the beloved and the blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has stated, the one who recites salat upon me 10 times in the morning and 10 times in the evening will be granted my intercession on the day of judgment. दुखों ने जो तुमको घेरा है तो दुरूद पढ़ो, दुखों ने जो तुमको घेरा है तो दुरूद पढ़ो, जो हाज़री की तमन्ना है तो दुरूद पढ़ो। सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ताला अला मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। The respected name of the first caliph of Islam, the leader of Sayyiduna Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is Abdullah. His kunya is Abu Bakr and his title are Siddiq and Atiq. The meaning of Siddiq is one who speak the truth very much. He was referred to by this title even in the period of ignorance because he always spoke the truth. The meaning of Atiq is freed, giving him glad tidings. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Anta atiqullahi minan nar. O Abu Bakr, you are the one who is freed from the fire of hell. He is Qurayshi and 7 generations above. His genealogical tree joined with the that of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam of Rahmah, the intercessor of Ummah, the owner of Jannah. He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was born in Makkah Mukarramah approximately 2.5 years after Amul Fil. The leader of the believers, Sayyiduna Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, is that companion who was the first free man to testify to the prophethood of the beloved and the blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam among all the people. He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu possesses such noble virtues and excellences that after the honorable Prophet alayhi salam, he is the greatest and most highly ranked for all mankind. Amongst all the free men, he radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was the first embrace Islam, and being a minister and an advisor of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in every decision, in war, in peace, he proved his loyalty and allegiance by supporting the Prophet of Rahmah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at every step of life. After a splendid region of caliphate that lasted 2 years and 3 months, he radiyallahu ta'ala anhu passed away on 22 Jumadul Ukhra in the 13th year after Hijri, after spending blessed Monday. The leader of the believers, Sayyiduna Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, lead the funeral prayers. जो यार गारे महबूब खुदा सिद्दीक़ अकबर हैं, जो यार गारे महबूब खुदा सिद्दीक़ अकबर हैं, वही यार मिज़ार मुस्तफ़ा सिद्दीक़ अकबर हैं। It is stated on page 269 of Fazan Siddiq Akbar that the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the blessed companion alayhi Ridwan, give your possession in sadaqah in the way of Allah. In obedience to this splendid saying, the blessed companion alayhi Ridwan gave sadaqah from their possession as much as they could afford. Sayyiduna Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu gave goods of sadaqah for 10,000 mujahideen and spent 10,000 dinars. Furthermore saying, labbaik upon the saying of the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he also presented 900 camels and the 100 with horses with goats. Amir al-Mu'mineen Sayyiduna Umar Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, I also had possession and I thought that Amir al-Mu'mineen Sayyiduna Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu surpassed me in this matter every time. This time by giving more possession in sadaqah, I will surpass him. He went to his home and collected the whatever he owned, divided into two parts, and then left one part for his family members, and the second part he took and presented to the Prophet of Rahmah, the intercessor of Jannah. क्या पेश करें जाना, क्या चीज हमारी है, क्या पेश करें जाना, क्या चीज हमारी है, ये दिल भी तुम्हारा है, ये जान भी तुम्हारी है. The beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, O Umar, what have you left for your family? He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu replied, O beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have left half of the possession for my family. Just then Sayyiduna Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala has arrived with his possession. He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was wearing a simple kebab which had buttons that were made of acacia thorns. The beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was very pleased to see Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and asked, O Abu Bakr, what have you left for your family? The beloved only asked this thing, and the heart of the true lover rejoiced with the fragrance of life. He realized at once that there was something else, because the beloved knew it that my true lover has sacrificed his life, wealth, children, everything when there were hardly and sporters in Makkah Mukarramah. Instead, most of the people became enemies, and now could he not understand the kalam of his beloved, because he was a lover who was always looking for the opportunity. Let the beloved ask for something, everything will be brought to sacrifice at his feet. तबीब हर मरीज ला दवा सिद्दीक़ अकबर, तबीब हर मरीज ला दवा सिद्दीक़ अकबर, गरीबों बेकसों का आसरा सिद्दीक़ अकबर. परवाने को चिराग तो बुलबुल को फूल बस, परवाने को चिराग तो बुलबुल को फूल बस, सिद्दीक़ के लिए खुदा और रसूल बस. सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु